Well, back in the city, guys. I did say I'm going to do a hotel stay overnight. As going from last video with the broken video of the shipwreck, I did mention that I was going to do some hotel reviews and discussions. I'm not too sure if I'm going to add this in this one, or I'm going to do it in another video, but I could probably do it when we get to the hotel anyway. So this is another bargain I got off. This one was an Agoda, I think. Hotel discounts of some sort. Anyway, so I'll see you at the hotel, guys. I'll explain what hotel I'm staying at, the rooms, and what I paid for. See you then. So just walking another 5-6 minutes, just on the outskirts of the city to the hotel. So this one I've always been, hey, hello, say hello to YouTube. Who's gonna get that? Yeah, this one's obviously the Terrace Hotel. I've always been eyeing this one off, and I've seen many bargains, but I've got this for really discounted down to 110. It was the last room left, so I thought, well, to see what this room's really like, and I've seen some really good reviews about it, so I thought this would be a good one, guys, to add to my channel. Finally, the Terrace Hotel. There is obviously a lot nicer ones and more flashy ones, but I guess if I down track, if I get them on a good price, well, then I'll definitely jump on them, you know. Why pay full price if you can get a discounted price, especially for a one-nighter, you know what I mean? If you're going to stay there for 3-4 nights, well then, yeah, still at a discounted rate, but you mostly get looked after anyway, especially the longer you stay. But not always, you know. It's not all hotels are like that. You just still pay at the full rate. But when you guys look for a hotel, it's basically you just check through your sites and you pick your best one. So yeah, and it's just pretty much getting the knack of it now, and especially mentioning before about the sites, you've got to be so careful, guys. I have been pinned out a few times where I've paid and all of a sudden the room's not even available, so then you have to text and email the website or the company that you've paid through, and then you ask them why, explain, you know, you've charged me for a hotel room that's on the web, and then it becomes unavailable or you pay more. It's, yeah, they're quite dodgy, and a lot of them get you to subscribe to their website, and once you've subscribed and then you click on for payment, the room either comes unavailable or the price goes up, and it's all about subscription. Yeah, so they can get as many people as they can to sign up. So I don't know why they do it, and they shouldn't, because YouTubers like myself, well, they're going to bag the hell out of them, aren't they? So it's rather going to put their names, I'll put a list of names on this channel, or I'll just leave it. But I'm pretty sure, God, you guys know what you're doing when you're looking for hotels. Now I see you at the hotel. Time to check in.
Hello.
Hello.
Good evening.
I have a booking.
Yeah,
Moment of truth. Oh, that's one big door. Almost to the top. So it's good when you write a review, or when you actually know a request for the rooms, and you say you're a YouTuber, and you request the highest floor. Is what we all do for a good view, right? Yeah, and they seem to look after you. I mean, not always you get the highest floor, depending what's available, but I've had, you know, something like this floor, second floor, or third or fourth, or something like that, but it is what's available. Whatever you get, I guess. So we're in 807. Ooh. Oh, look at that. Right here. Try again, don't I? 807, yeah. Okay. Technical problems here.
A few moments later.
Is there a trick to these doors you know of?
Yes, only my English is nicht.
Oh, that's okay.
A moment.
It's
You
a...
must, yeah.
And you gotta... Normally you just take it out, but...
No, nothing. Jetzt nothing.
You normally take them out quickly.
Nee. Normally.
Ah.
Nee. Slowly.
Ah.
But this is not good. I think.
Not good.
No.
They've got technical problems. See you in the room. So unfortunately, I'm still locked out. I've got card issues. I've been down there on the second time. They gave me a new set of cards. I've just come back up and I'm still not able to get in. So not a good start, to be honest. Yeah, so just gonna now wait for the reception to come up and, well, break into my room. I don't know if I should put this on a bad review. Nah, I'm not that bad. It's obviously just a maintenance issue, I think. So maybe perhaps he might put me to a different room. We'll wait and see until he gets here. I will see you in the room sometime, guys. I promise. Well, I finally got in. Bit of a card issue, but the guy had to come up and, well, hack into my room basically with his little computer, and he's obviously gone back downstairs to reprogram my keys and my cards to get into the room. But we finally got in. Terrace Hotel, guys. This is what it looks like. How much did I pay? I think I said 115. 110, 115. It was around that. I got a really good bargain on it. A lot of the times they go around the 125 to 160 to 180, 150, I think, whatever, different rooms. So this is what they call the executive queen room. I did have a double room with a double bed, I think. Yeah, I think maybe without the couch, but they upgraded me. But I don't see how it's a bigger room, because I think the double room is it's more than this. I don't know. I'll work it out. He did say he upgraded me to a better room with no cost. So what have we got in here? Oh, flashy. So we've got a nice tub and a shower. Obviously the toilet, your basin, just your basics, as you can get in a hotel. Coffee machine, bonus. See what that tastes like in the morning. Oh yeah, fridge freezer, all hidden. Nice, and all your spoons and cups, kettle, iron, and obviously your safe. and then your ironing board and stuff like that. So it's just, yeah, not a bad room, to be honest. And believe it or not, what I do like about it is the balcony. I find many hotels that don't do balconies these days, I'm guessing because of a safety regulation for people throwing stuff off or even suiciding. Yeah, but this one's got a balcony. Not a bad little view of the city. It's too bad I didn't actually get here a bit earlier to watch the sun go down. Obviously that's on the west side anyway, but doesn't matter. But not a bad view, guys. This is what Adelaide looks like at night time. If you are interested, guys, and booking this hotel, and you come in here to Adelaide and you want a nice flashy hotel with yourself or with your partner, great little room, very nice. Out of 5 I'd probably give it a 4, despite the key issues. But they even got a restaurant down below. There were 2 restaurants. I think got a pub restaurant and another restaurant, I think he was explaining, but I don't think I'll be going to them. I'm in here for one night. Yeah, and they've got parking as well. I think you pay $15 on top of your room fee to park your car, and that's per night. You know, if you can find free parking, or you can, if you got no car and you're catching public transport in, there's always a tram station, like no more than a 5-minute walk from the hotel. It's not too bad. But I can drop the site that I use this hotel to book in, or maybe not. You know, I mean, there's others that you can book it through, but like mentioning again, you just got to be careful. If the site looks dodgy, oh, we got room service. Hey. I'm vlogging. Yeah, so he obviously got a bit camera shy, so I had to cut the camera, but he's put a drink. They've given me a free drink on them because of the inconvenience and a bit of a later checkout as well. So I'm happy with that. You know, I think anyone staying in a corridor, yeah, waiting to obviously get into your room was a bit embarrassing, but it's obviously not their fault. It's a maintenance issue. But they finally sorted my card out and got a free drink. But not really in a drinking mood, to be honest. So I might even just go down for a bitters. I think lemon lime bitters. It's on them anyway. And then maybe check out a meal. Not overly hungry. But yeah, he was also saying this hotel here, this big white one, the Alba. So they obviously run that as well. Yeah, so it's got the pool. They've got a pool there, obviously outdoor pool. So we're only just coming into spring now, so I can't see anyone in there. So getting out is coming a little bit fresh for sure. If you've got like an indoor heated pool, then you're obviously it's all right for hotels, or you know, summertime it'd be good for stuff like that outside. But all right, guys. Gonna just unpack a few things here, but this is the hotel, the Terrace Hotel. Get that right. Another cheap room. Well, a lot of minor problems, but nothing to rave on about. All sorted. Big TV as well. I think I've got that on there. Yeah, pretty cozy if you ask me. I'll see you guys downstairs. I've just checked out of the hotel, the Terrace Hotel. What do I think? Yeah, very clean rooms, quite fancy actually. If I have to give a score out of 5, it's probably going to be around the 4. Few things, minor issues, but no big deal. Getting into the room at first, I think that was all for the entertainment, right? So yeah, would I stay there again? Absolutely. If I get a good deal, maybe a better deal than what I had. Sometimes you even get them cheaper. Even the front reception said last night, it's amazing the price you paid. It's amazing you got that. But hey, you know, when you get a deal, you get a deal, and you got to jump on it quickly, right, before it goes. Yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. It's probably going to be a short one. Wasn't too much to vlog. You know what a hotel room looks like. So basically, yeah, just wanted to do that quick hotel vlog, and obviously next to the hotel. So wherever it's going to be, the next one, who knows? Yeah, there is a few I do want to check out, and put them on a vlog as well. So till next time, guys, signing out. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe, and share my videos. That'd be awesome. Yeah, I feel much appreciated when people do that, and also comments. I'd love to see more comments on my content. Yeah, I'll see what you guys want to see and stuff like that. So I'm a bit tired. I don't know what to say. So till next time, signing out.